Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Spigen 35 watts ArcStation Pro GaN 352 volt charger. This has two USB-C ports and is using all this technology. Also 2 years warranty. So let's see what's inside. Let's try and open it. There's a thank you card as well, which is quite nice to see. It has a bit of a weight on it, so it's not really light. The top is not metal, or maybe it is. It kind of looks like plastic. It is a bit cold to touch. Don't think it's metal though. Anyway, it could be to help dissipating the heat. There's more information for you guys. So it looks like if you're using a single port, the total is 30 watts. And then if you're using dual port, you get 25. I'm confused now. So it says dual port use total 35 max. Not too sure, but I think you get 35 watts only if you're using one port, and then you will split. So it's gonna be like maybe 35, so it'll be 20 and 15 maybe. Cool. Let's quickly test it. So I'm gonna plug it in. And let's take two cables. This one is quite nice because it shows how much watts is using. So we'll plug this in first, and then we'll try and charge a few things. So I'll try and see if you can charge a laptop like this, because I know it needs about 28. And strangely he's not charging it. I'm not sure why, but probably needs more power. Even if I try the other port, let's see. I don't think it should matter which one you're using. Just for this video, let's try. Now here, it's just deciding not to charge it. So just to let you know, I've tested the 45 watts one, and I was able to charge this laptop with it. And it was taking only 28 watts. So I'm a bit confused. Because this is 35, so you should, but maybe something doesn't allow it inside. So let's charge something else then. Let's see how much he's using when he's charging a flashlight like this. Strangely, it doesn't want to charge it at all. Maybe it's too strong, too powerful. It could be too powerful because some of these flashlights are a bit weird. So let's charge instead one of these. So it's charging with 9-10 watts. 9 probably. So that's charging. Let's try another one. Let's try charging some headphones. That's what you normally charge with this, your phone, your headset. As you can see, it's charging without any issues. So yeah guys, still taking 9-10 watts to charge this. So yeah, thank you for watching.